Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how to share Facebook posts to Instagram 2023. So first of all, what you have to do is go to the Facebook app, and at the top right corner you can see your profile icons as well as your three-line icons. Simply tap on that and then go to the gear icon at the top right corner of the screen. Then what you have to do is tap on the see more in account center option. Simply tap on see more in, and then what you have to do is tap on accounts at the account settings section. Tap on accounts, then tap on add accounts option. Now what you have to do is simply tap the Instagram account that you have. Simply let it tick, then tap on continue at the bottom. Now what you have to do is simply tap on the yes, finish adding, and after a while your Facebook post will be saved to your Instagram. As you can see, it is added, and after that all your Facebook posts will be saved to your Instagram. So there you have it. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials. Comment on your thoughts, and until then, goodbye.